Good day, viewers all over the world. I want us to consider this example where we have the mapping F is defined by the arrow diagram. So the question now is that we should determine the domain, A, B, the codomain, then C, the range of the mapping. Now question 2, is the mapping onto, then 3, is the mapping one-to-one? So we start from 1A. What is the domain of this mapping? The domain of the mapping are the elements. This first element. So the domain of the mapping will be -3, 2, and 5. Then the B part of the question, what is the codomain? The codomain will be elements at Q, and that will be 16, 4, 7, -8. Then C, what is the range? The range of this mapping are the elements that something is being mapped into. So the range in this case now, the range will be 16, 7, and -8. So question number 2, is this mapping onto? No, this mapping is not onto, because not every element are the codomain. Like 4 now, something is not being mapped into 4. So 4 is not an image of any element at the domain. So this is not onto. Then question number 3, is this mapping one-to-one? Yes, this mapping is one-to-one because one element here have a unique image, image here, one-to-one. Just that 4, nothing is being mapped into 4, which is not a condition for a function or for a relation to the mapping. So this mapping is one-to-one, but it is not onto because it does not satisfy the condition for a mapping to be onto. It is not onto because the range is not equal to the codomain. Under onto, the range is always equal to the codomain. But in this case now, the range is a subset of the codomain. So the range is not equal to the codomain. That's the condition for onto. The range must be equal to the codomain. Thank you.